The Wise Wanderer, A Journey to Inner Peace. Once upon a time, in a small village at the foot of a majestic mountain, there lived a young man named Kaido. Kaido felt lost and uncertain about his life's purpose. He yearned for answers and decided to embark on a journey to find inner peace. As he wandered through the forest, Kaido encountered a wise old man who introduced himself as Master Akira. Master Akira shared a Zen story. 2 arrows, one for the ego, one for the heart. Which one will you choose, Kaido? Kaido chose the arrow for the heart, and Master Akira guided him to a serene garden. In the garden, Master Akira taught Kaido about the importance of living in the present moment. As Kaido continued his journey, he encountered various challenges, but applied the Zen lessons he learned. Eventually, Kaido returned to his village, but with a newfound sense of inner peace and wisdom. From that day on, Kaido shared his wisdom with others, inspiring a community of like-minded individuals.